box and the teddy bear too. Cleaning up my room, look what I can do. Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor, make our happy home shine bright. Cleaning up is fun to do. Folding clothes, making the bed, and putting my books away. Now my room is sparkling clean. Great job cleaning up! High five! We make a happy home!
Like, share, and subscribe! Happy learning every time!